Hi, my name's Eimear and we're here at the Hugh Lane Gallery where there are always lots of exciting events and programmes for all ages. Today, I'd like to tell you about our citywide outreach project called Zoom at Hugh Lane Gallery. Since 2018, through this project, we've welcomed 97 schools and over 2,700 children. Now we're in phase 6, but I'd like to show you the wonderful artworks the children made during phase 5 of the project when they visited the gallery for artist-led workshops exploring the collection and temporary exhibitions. This is the action-packed Zoom Zine, created by all of the amazing artworks the children made when they visited the gallery. Let's have a look inside. O'Connell Primary School in Dublin 1 took inspiration from self-portrait by Patrick Graham and made their very own creative self-portraits through drawing and collage. Stratford National School in Dublin 6 looked at Horse Mirrored, Cowgirls, Sheep Boys by Barry Flanagan and made curious and creative animal masks. Our Lady of Lourdes National School in Dublin 8 explored the dynamic shapes in Positive Spin by Richard Gorman and made pinwheels for windy days. Drimna Castle CBS National School in Dublin 12 were inspired by Hannah Levy's sculpture and crafted imaginative creatures from clay and wire. They also looked at the movement in Figure with Raised Arm by Francis Bacon and modelled dancing figures with wool and wire. Our Lady of Victories in Dublin 12 explored Harry Clarke's stained glass window, The Eve of St Agnes, by making their own colourful and transparent collages. Mother of Divine Grace in Dublin 11 created patterned birds to live in the trees of Mary Swansea's painting called Honolulu Garden. They also made patterned and bold layered prints after looking at Corrib by Richard Gorman. Scullone in Dublin 5 loved the abstract shapes of Cathy Prendergast's work, Road Trip 13, and made their very own abstract maps with a printing press. Belmain Educate Together National School in Dublin 13 explored Claude Monet's Waterloo Bridge, Overcast Weather, and made impressionist paintings of the city. They also made their own pop-up still lifes based on the abstract Still Life by May Guinness. St Lawrence's National School in Dublin 19 built colourful cityscapes inspired by Naples Harbour by Stephen McKenna. They also took inspiration from Fifth Cycle by Richard Tuttle and made prints exploring the winding lines. St Bridget's Senior School in Dublin 11 experimented with watercolour to capture the colours of nature based on Cusp 2 by Gillian Ayres. We are so excited to share the Zoom Zine with you. We hope you come and visit the Hugh Lane Gallery and see so many of the artworks that have inspired all these children. So come in or keep an eye on the website to see what's coming up next. We hope to see you soon.